Hey! Hey guys. So, you know Nadia.
Basically, this is probably going to be a good vlog.
This may
so
or may not be.
Don't stop watching.
This may or may not be my best one.
It'll get better after the intro, so don't click off.
This is really boring intro.
Yeah,
and
it is.
Okay, and I think I'm gonna do 2 separate videos. I'm gonna do a
like a montage and then like an actual.
and then like
yeah.
what we did.
Yeah. So don't get bored. If you do get bored, swipe a little bit further.
Which most of you do already.
So basically, we are going to Michigan. My family has like a cabin there. So it's like in the middle of nowhere. And yeah, we're just gonna be like adventuring and taking hopefully cute pictures.
Yeah. We have 3 dogs with us.
Love it.
3 men.
So that's my dad and my grandpa, his dog, my aunt's dog, my dog.
Yeah,
and then my uncle's like meeting us there. It's gonna be fun. It'll be cool. Yeah.
Yeah, so
okay.
we're gonna stay there the whole weekend. We're gonna be unplugged. Hashtag no service.
Yeah.
So
and that's basically it.
We'll just take you along for the ride. So we just stopped. Ready? Thank you. We're at Starbucks. What are you getting?
Probably an iced almond milk latte or a chai latte with almond milk.
Wow. Wow. So interesting. Lucas. We don't even know. Are you choking?
Choking already.
Are you okay?
Where? Slow down. I'll show you.
Okay.
All right, so we just got here. It's like you can't even see anything. We saw like so many deers, and then there are like cougars and stuff here too.
Oh, give them
Basically dying.
The car can get through, but also it's 12:02, and
Do not enter.
I feel like I'm gonna get jumped at any second. We made it.
We're going potty. I guess they don't have a bathroom like in the actual house, so there's like an outhouse. Lucas. So the lighting is actually awful, but we're gonna get ready now. Get dressed for the day. We'll do an OOTD.
Dude.
Get out.
Yeah.
You're gonna get another one.
So I don't know.
You think you'll give it away, or
Bill
you
said,
want
well, Bill came to work the next day and told me about the story, and I said, well, I don't want to bet Bill. I said, I need to know what's wrong with the horse. You know, why is he getting rid of it? You know what a bet bill means. You get.
Okay, so right now we just unloaded all the wood from there in like a shed thing. And now we're going to cut more wood.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, these chainsaws.
Yeah, that's basically it.
Solid. But basically what we're doing is her grandpa and uncle are like chopping up wood, I guess, like logs, and we're putting them in like the trailer that's behind here. I just these. Go ahead. Later we might be able to drive the car around like on this weird road, which would be fun. If Nadia is not too scared, because she's scared.
I'm not scared. Huh?
You need to drive the car down.
Okay.
Standing.
So we're standing. Okay.
Oh, Nadia's driving. Arrive up
Wait,
there.
what the nuts? I don't know how to use this thing.
Oh my god, you're in park right now.
Yeah, I know, but I'm
So go
used to
down.
the Prindle here.
Go down.
Okay, so put on the brake. Oh, it says here. Okay, we're good. Okay.
Oh. Whoa, going a little faster, Nadia. I don't know. Look at big girl. I'm older than her, and she's driving. What the nuts? Your dad just pretended that you ran over his foot. So we're back from, what's it called?
Logging.
Logging. and we're making coffee right now. Stirring up some stew. It's about like what, like 2 o'clock maybe?
Yeah.
Smile. So it's currently 6:30 in the morning. We plan on waking up at 6, so it's not that bad. But she won't get up because we're trying to take pictures. Trying to catch the sunrise, and yeah, we're gonna go get ready. Hopefully right now. And then yeah. Hey.
Hey.
What time is it?
Picture time.
Yes.
At all.
Alright, she's driving. She is driving.
She's going.
She just turned, oh my god. She just turned 15, bro. She's not even,
I haven't seen driver's ed.
not even doing driver's ed.
Not
This is a bumpy road, Nods. Do you think you could do it?
Oh, I think I got it.
I'm like actually kind of scared.
No, it's literally just this square.
Please save me. Oh my god.
Yeah, high up life, low on sleep. Down and out, gotta call a taxi.
So basically, it's like really cold, like really cold.
37 degrees.
Yeah. So we keep having to like break between every like spot that we're shooting at.
Well, I don't. Nadia does.
Okay, my hands are like freezing. So yeah, we keep. I keep having to.
I think my nose is super red.
No, you're actually good. It's fine. Oh, it kind of is. But yeah, so but we're getting the pictures. I hope they look good. The camera's dying.
Her pictures are so freaking good. And I'm gonna be so mad if you don't post like all of them.
All of them, like all 90.
All 56 of them.
Okay.
So Nadia's kind of mad because because when we're driving, it's going backwards and not
it's
forwards.
not going backwards. It's because we're on a hill. Something's not letting us go into drive. Like it's in drive, but like it's not going forward.
But yeah, anyway, we did the tractor, and I don't even know if you can see. No, you can't. The truck, and now we're gonna go to those wood logs over there.
Try this again.
Over there.
The brake feels really good.
And so let's see if this works. Let's pray. You got this, Nods. We're all rooting for you. Miss 13-year-old driver.
Ready? Ready? Cross your fingers at home.
It's like you just got done crying. Yay! We're going forward.
Okay, so we just had a minor inconvenience.
No, shut up.
Basically, we're going back. Long story short.
Both involving.
We're good. We're good.
So gross.
We're good.
We're good. Okay, you can cut that out. We're psychic at this point.
We actually really are, and it's
I'm
kind
pretty
of
sure,
freaking
like,
me out.
reading each other's minds.
All of the above.
We're
man.
getting mad at each other. We're laughing at the same time. You know, things are just.
There we go. Oh my god, I flinched.
Filming?
Yeah.
I think you hit something.
Did I hit it?
I heard hit.
Did I hit it?
So here are the goats that are like babies. Aren't they just so freaking adorable? Okay, that was really gross. That's exactly what this means. What you doing?
Right there. Oh, my hat's got it. In the way.
This weekend was so fun, honestly. Like, I don't even know. I mean, obviously you saw like what we did. We took pictures this morning though. I'm still undecided if I'm gonna insert them in this video or like the montage, or like some in this video or some in the montage. I don't know. We're just gonna see what happens. We're just gonna see what happens.
So cold, and it's like starting to rain.
You're such a mess. Oh my god.
Okay, so like,
We're about to do a 6-hour drive home.
no, first we're gonna. Okay, so the camera's about to die, so I don't know how much we'll film.
Oh yeah,
but
which kind of sucks.
we're gonna stop at like my uncle's like farmish thing, and he has like a lot of animals and stuff, and then like yeah. Oh my god. Bye.
I pee.
Should I just put my seatbelt on so
Yes.
Hello, hello.
No, I'm fine.
Oh my God.
She's like
I hope that you're listening.
taking a turn and she just takes her hands off.
Did we make it?
Hello, hello. That's all right. Won't you help me sober up?
Oh god, we're gonna slip. We're gonna slip. Okay, no more. My legs are falling asleep.